From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A very good evening to you, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate here with your CNET forecast. We're starting off with a time lapse over Beaver Stadium. Starting right around 3 o'clock this morning, you can see a beautiful moonrise and then followed shortly after by a beautiful sunrise just after 6:30 this morning. Lots of color in the sky this morning. And that preceded what was a very comfortable day across much of Center County. Clear skies, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds starting to bubble up as we headed into the afternoon. Temperature currently sitting at 75 degrees right now. It is a beautiful day across the entirety of Center County, so get out and enjoy the rest of it while you still can, because we do have a couple of other weather systems that are going to be heading our way over the next couple of days. Temperatures across much of the rest of the center region are generally in the mid-70s, a couple upper 70s, Selinsgrove at 79, and Harrisburg, good evening to you, 81 degrees right now. As we zoom out to the wide view, much of the same. You've got low to mid-70s across the center two-thirds of the state. Then as you head off west of US 219, 80 in Erie, 77 down in Pittsburgh, and Philadelphia, not actually the warm spot this afternoon at 79. That honor goes to Harrisburg and Allentown, both at 81 this hour. Radar and satellite, very quiet this afternoon. Those few clouds that we had over Center County, you can't hardly even see them on the radar and satellite loop this afternoon. And that's because of how few we have in the area. Light winds out of the south feels very pleasant this afternoon, helping to usher in some of that warmer air that's to our south. As we zoom out to the wide view, you notice this large low pressure system centered out over Canada with some associated shower activity. And there's a cold front stretching across the central part of the Midwest. Eventually, that's going to be pushing its way into Center County over the next 24 to 36 hours, and that's our next chance for rain. Time things out here on Future Weather, 5:30 a.m. on Thursday. 60 degrees here in State College to start your workday. You can already see some of those rain showers starting to build in from the south and west. And as we head into the day on Thursday, right around the lunchtime hours, you're heading out to grab a bite to eat in the middle of the day. May see some spotty showers, going to be fairly light in nature as you head through your lunch hour. And then the rest of Thursday is going to be much of the same, fairly clear, fairly calm. And Friday going to be dipping down into the low 50s overnight. Then a couple areas may see some upper 40s, especially at the higher elevations. Friday afternoon, you can already see some clouds starting to build in. That's the next system. There's a second system that's going to be making its way into Center County over the next couple of days, and that's going to be our next rain chance Saturday at 7 a.m. You can already see this band of showers along I-77 out in Ohio. It's going to be coming more widespread across much of Pennsylvania, and we may see some scattered shower activity across much of Pennsylvania, including Center County, though temperatures will be fairly warm, so it's not going to be a washout, and it's not going to be fairly unpleasant either. So just make sure you have a raincoat at hand. Tonight, 56 degrees, mostly clear skies, winds out of the southwest, fairly light, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Should be a fairly comfortable night, actually. Then as we head into tomorrow, 74, we're calling it for the high. Those showers in the afternoon, early afternoon hours, and we may see a little bit of patchy fog as we head late into the overnight, early on Friday morning. And then the rest of your forecast from the Campus Weather Service has temperatures warming up to around 80 on Saturday. Sunday back down into the mid-70s. We will be drying out. Humidity is going to be dropping a little bit. And then notice Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, temperatures gradually climbing. And then Wednesday is going to be a truly toasty day with temperatures forecast to be around 15 degrees above average for this time of year. So it's going to be quite warm, very unseasonably warm, mainly on Wednesday with a lot of sunshine. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Have a great evening.